Welcome to Nambardar TV's special program, where we explore the lives of Pakistan's spiritual giants. In this series, we delve deep into the rich tapestry of our nation's spiritual history, bringing to light the stories of those who have shaped our cultural and spiritual landscape. From the early days of Islamic influence in the region to the modern era, Pakistan has been home to many revered spiritual figures whose teachings and legacies continue to inspire millions. Today, we're featuring the story of Sultan Bahoo, a Sufi mystic, poet, and scholar who left an indelible mark on our cultural heritage. Born in the 17th century, Sultan Bahoo's life was a testament to the pursuit of spiritual enlightenment and the dissemination of divine knowledge. His poetry, written in Punjabi, is celebrated for its profound spiritual insights and its ability to convey complex mystical concepts in a simple, accessible manner. Sultan Bahoo's teachings emphasize the importance of self-realization, the pursuit of truth, and the unity of all beings. His works have been studied and revered by scholars and spiritual seekers alike, and his legacy continues to resonate in the hearts of many. Our correspondent has been investigating this story. Through interviews with scholars, visits to historical sites, and an in-depth examination of Sultan Bahoo's writings, we aim to provide a comprehensive understanding of his life and contributions. Join us as we embark on this journey to uncover the profound wisdom and enduring legacy of Sultan Bahoo. Let's take a look. Sultan Bahoo was born in 1630 in the village of Shorkot, Punjab. From a young age, he showed a keen interest in spirituality and poetry.
Sultan Bahoo's poetry is a treasure trove of spiritual wisdom. His words have the power to heal and transform lives.
Sultan Bahoo's teachings emphasize the importance of love, compassion, and selfless service to humanity. He believed in the unity of all religions and preached a message of peace and harmony.
Sultan Bahoo's teachings have helped me find peace and contentment in my life.
His poetry is like a guiding light for me. It always shows me the right path.
Sultan Bahoo's legacy continues to inspire millions of people around the world. His shrine in Shorkot is a symbol of spiritual growth and harmony.
Thank you for watching this special program on Nambardar TV. Don't forget to tune in next time for more inspiring stories from across